Hello guys, it's me again, Wayne. Welcome back to my channel, The Wayner. The big stadium you saw earlier is a prominent stadium in Seoul, and what's cool about it is that it has its own shopping mall and movie theater. The Seoul Worldcup Stadium will be your best landmark when you visit our next destination, which is Haneul Park. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please click that red button that says subscribe and click the notification bell to stay updated of my latest travel vlog. Sit back and relax and enjoy watching. Haneul Park is one of the 5 parks of the Worldcup Park, and this area used to be a garbage landfill back in the 1970s. But through the collective effort of the Korean government and the community, this was transformed into an eco-nature park in 2002 to commemorate the 2002 Korean-Japan World Cup and the new millennium. Haneul is a favorite wedding prenup location of couples including the Filipina actress Ann Curtis and now husband Erwan Yusuf. A walk in Haneul Park is quite relaxing with its cold breeze and waving grasses. There's also a small convenience store in the area where you can sip coffee and admire the beauty of Seoul above sea level. To see the pink molly perennial plants, but it only blooms every September to November. But we enjoy the spectacular views of Seoul skyline and Hangang River, plus the dramatic silver grasses of this cold but romantic park in the sky. Haneul is truly a must-visit place in South Korea, not only because of its natural beauty, but the story of an ugly duckling turned into an admirable swan. Good job, South Korea! If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment. Also, I left some travel tip for Haneul Park in the description box. Watch out for my part 2 finale of South Korea travel vlog because here, those who loves nature are the winner. Thanks for watching, guys!